How to fix could not create Java virtual machine. For this first step, check Java installation. Search for command prompt, right click run as administrative and type the following text. Java space hyphen version. Type it correctly without spelling mistake and click enter. Once you clicking after it will show up the Java version. If it's showing the Java version means it's okay, it's normal, there is no error. If the Java version is showing here, you can see now. If the Java version is not showing means if you get an error or no version is displayed means you need to uninstall Java, download and install the latest version of Java from official website. Go to the official website java.com/download. Click download option. Once the download is complete after you need to click the setup and install the Java. Click it and click install and wait for a couple of seconds to install completely. Once the installation is complete after it will throw up the message successfully installed. After that we move on with next step. Next step, fix environmental variable. For this search for run and type the following text sysdm.cpl and click advanced option and click environmental variable and search for Java options. If it's not having means you need to create a new one. Click new and create a new variable name underscore Java underscore options. Type it correctly and come to variable value hyphen xmx1024m. Type it correctly and click OK. Once complete after you have seen now it's added. After that click OK and restart your device. Thank you.